good morning. It is day 12. So today is Kelly's day. It's an even number. And I have no idea what's in here because there's something hard and then there's something soft. And we get a card. So let's see. Oops, grab two. We'll see what the question is and we will see what the postcard is. The postcard, oh how beautiful. Virginia, the state flower, the birds, Virginia Dairy, Thomas Jefferson's house. Oh my goodness, so many neat things. Very pretty. You see that? A lot of history. How awesome. Okay, so the question today is, what emoji do you use most often? Probably the smiley face. That or the hearts. One of the two. But the smiley face or the heart. That would be it. So let's check it out. What's such pretty paper. I hope everybody's having a great day. Don't forget, this is day 12. We still have a few days left, and so you want to go down below, click on Pinkee Jean and Kelly's Kitchen to see what they got for day 12. And she put two things in here. Oh, this is beautiful. It's a nice color. Virginia. Can you see that? I love it. It's a pretty shirt. I like it. Thank you. And day 12. She said the shirt and another one she wrapped separate. Oh, how fun. Ooh, ooh, balm. I think it's a watermelon balm. That's so awesome. Hydrating balm helps keep smooth chapped lips and skin. Dense texture and balm helps to seal in the moisture all day long. Very nice. Thank you, Kelly. You are so nice. We appreciate everything. I appreciate it. It's just so sweet. I'll be wearing this soon. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching. And don't forget to come back tomorrow. Have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.